great honor to show you the installation of our products, which are used for different systems, such as heating system and plumbing systems. Now, I'm going to introduce the tools that we need in the following process.
We will need the PEX pipe, copper crimp ring, crimp fitting, PEX pipe cutter, and the crimping tool. Cut the pipe vertically using the PEX pipe cutter. Make sure to cut it quickly and precisely. Choose the right size copper crimp ring and put it over the pipe. Insert the fitting body into the PEX pipe up to the shoulder of the fitting. Make sure the insert is completely inside the pipe. Now open the crimping tool and attach at the correct position. Press the jaw until it closes completely. The copper crimp ring will be tightened after pressing, and the pipe and fitting will be tightly linked together. The PEX pipe and crimp fitting installation process is complete. The installation process is finished.